The Tyrell Estate. I like to watch jellyfish dying, hanging there, while all accept the state as an 8-ball of human lives swimming in watery futures. It's nice to think of that man who touched you and think I'm going to find him and destroy him beyond all recognition, but to forgive him power. It is an electricity for all nations, a medal for investment in collective isolation. This is where the dog abandoned itself to eat its children north of the Dnieper. Hungry, starving masses in the Disney, in arteries like a hidden suprematist, living signed and dated in Suetin House, apartment 33B, in Chechnik Towers 4A, in Malievich Gardens, in the Beasley Estate. And it's so awfully good of you to think of me and my pets here, smiling homeward, like in 1814 when Napoleon ended fair play for this time. So you be the emperor to my winter retreat. There is but my way out in this nationalist revival, to eat our horses. The power of the flower minces wanly from our Robert to heap coals upon his head. Thank you. Fowler.